Shirtless. What's your project about?
Blah, 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 blah. And what is blood made out of?
Good job.
It's blood.
It's blood. So that's Weston's. We are done.
Blood.
We just have to make his blood, which is going to be a hands-on blood thing. Don't mind my horrible table right now. We have science fair projects everywhere. So Weston, what are you making?
Blood.
Yep, we're making blood for his science fair project that he gets to show tomorrow. What are those blue things for?
For platelets.
Yeah, good job. What are the white ones?
For white blood cells.
All right, what's these for?
Red blood cells.
And what's the liquid for?
More white blood cells.
No, the liquid's plasma. Good try, buddy.
Plasma.
Good job. So we get to watch the water beads puff up. We ran out of all the reds, so we had to pick up a few clear because just had no more reds. It'll work though. This is our first time using water beads, and it's actually pretty cool. But I should have ordered on Amazon, but I'm using the ones that they have for decorative flower vases, which works just as good. But I was in a pinch. So I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. And just put water in them for our blood. Of course, I love it. It's actually really, really cool. And they're not bad.
The red.
They're really cool.
And they're really red.
So here is what the water beads look like. Pick some up. Look how big they got. Which we've never really played with them before. But we will be ordering probably a really big bag off of Amazon because they are like the coolest thing. So here's Weston's finished project. His is on what is blood made of, so we got to make blood. The red represents red blood cells, the white represents white blood cells, the blue are platelets, and then the water that we keep losing is for plasma.